Hello guys, in the level up marketplace on the agency level, search here the app house call and install it. I will install it on the all locations. After installation, go to the any location. On the location level, go to the app configuration page. After that, search here your app house call pro and click on configure button and put your API key and submit it. After that, you can use your actions or do your automations, workflows, and create workflow. I will create this section. Save the action. I will also map this field. I will also map the fields of the create customer action response into the nodes. I will map the customer ID and the email. Let's run the action. You can see here the nodes are added and the actions are executed successfully. Go to the nodes, and here you can see this is the customer ID and this is the customer email that we have mapped.